Welcome back to another video. If it's your first time, please watch the entirety of the video. Skip through, feel free to do that, but please drop a comment or a thumbs up. You don't have to subscribe if you don't like the content, but I would appreciate it if you do. Thank you in advance. Today's video, after the last video, that shelf I made for the greenhouse was inspired to make this one. I got more lumber. I have dunnage left over, and I'm going to make a rolling cart for this. This says greenhouse kit, but hear me out. Now, I'm here on my daily greenhouse. All right. But during the day, that light killing me, man. During the day, I can keep it out here. All right. When we leave, I can roll it where it's warm. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Till it germinates. So that's my plan. Also, let me show y'all a video. Y'all ain't seen it yet, but I had a bottle of Randall plants. I'm gonna peek. I got some things popping through. The bottle said random because I didn't know what seeds they were in the bottom of the bag from me reorganizing all my seeds. And then this box has some seeds in it that I put on my work pants, reach in my back pocket. There were 2 Ziploc bags in there. No name on them. Didn't know what it was, so I put them in that box. When they germinate, we see what we got. And when they're ready, I'll take them home. But anyway, let me get to cutting, start screwing, and make this thing look pretty. So we can start filling them planters up. I hope y'all were paying attention when I did the shelf in the last video, because this one is pretty much the same concept. I'm not gonna bore y'all with all the cutting and screwing together. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish it. It'll be faster for me that way, and we can get to seedlings. Put seeds in those starters. All right, we've made progress a lot. That is the back end. That was the 12 and quarter inch piece that was left over. That's gonna be the back of it. And here is why. Let me move this out of the way. I'm going to get grow lights installed on the bottom of each shelf to help aid in germination. Help keep them warm also. Have I bought the lights yet? No. When did I think about this? About 20 minutes ago. Hey, but I'm going to go ahead and char it, or Yakisugi, as the Japanese say, before I screw that piece on. And I'm going to do both sides of that before I put it on here. That way, every inch of it gets done. I hope to have this for the next 4 or 5 years, if it doesn't break apart. And if it does, I should be proficient enough with this to make a metal one that would last forever. Well, not forever, because nothing lasts forever, but you catch what I'm saying. So let me go ahead and char everything, and I even have wheels, like I said, to put on there. So I'm gonna get that knocked out real quick. We're almost done. Last three. 1/8 of an inch has been charred using a technique the Japanese call Yakisugi. Yakisugi. So now to put the backing on, put the wheels on, and see what we got. Let's see what we got. It's pretty light too. I give it a 10 out of 10. Now, to cut the screws off the bottom, and we can get on to put seeds in them trays. Yes, sir. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lights. So I need to find a set that has 5 lights. eBay, T-Boo. So I might have to make a bracket up here. Speaking of which, I already got these. Make a little bracket. Roll light. Yes, sir. Alright, let me cut the screws off the bottom and get these trays ready. All 8 accounted for. No flat tires. All right. Time to get these Jiffy seed starting greenhouse kits together. Again, this is not the greenhouse, but it's gonna be our greenhouse. Let's just pretend it is. We can do that. All right. Now, look at this. Perfect fit. Perfect. Wow. I think I've outdone myself. Yeah. All right. I've seen a lot of people do on YouTube, from what I've read on Google. We're going to mix seed starting mix with, I don't know if you can see this, perlite. All right, so organic perlite and natural and organic seed starting mix. Can y'all see that? Yeah. Cut these, dump them in here using a trash can with a trash bag. And we use that to fill the trays up. All right. Let's get started. Ooh. Just mix with water, moisten seed starting medium. All right. I'm gonna say, how do I mix this? For a full tray, saturate your pellets or soil with 4.5 cups worth of solution for best results. Pour the packet into 1 gallon. I need to go find a 1 gallon bottle. So I couldn't find a gallon bottle. Everything we have here has some kind of chemical in it. But I have these 2 aloe bottles. I should have more. I'll be right back. Yes, so I have 3. It's gonna dilute it down a little bit, but that's fine. I'll just divide this into the 3 bottles and go from there. This lady on YouTube she did. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. This is what she did. More. Looks like it works. And it's just like a bowl. We have 5 sections of 10 in there. I think I'm gonna go with celery, cauliflower, Walla Walla onion, broccoli, and carrot. That leaves me exactly 5 for the other tray. And then I have this bottle of, I don't know, and sorrel. It's gonna be a long video. All seeds have been planted. Now to water them. Made me a little red cup watering can. Here's our Super Thrive solution. This is all I'm gonna do right here. Just applied the last of the water with the Strive, whatever, growth thing. And you see here we have carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, celery, and onion. And we have unknown, sorrel, small onion, beet, cabbage, kale, and cantaloupe. I'm going to put the covers on, get them on here, and I got a little makeshift greenhouse thing going here. Just need a piece to cover the front of it. I'm gonna get some thick plastic, use the actual stapler so it's permanent on there, and put some on this side to where I can fold it over. I almost put it away without ending the video. My bad. But you can see here, these are the 2 that I had started earlier, like last week. And these are the 2 I just did today. I didn't put no grass in that one. Oh, it's alright. It's okay. It's covered. And it's going in there. I'm gonna get ready to leave anyway. So it'll be good. Like I said, I covered one side. I'm gonna get some thicker plastic to staple on here and on here and just drape it over on this side so I can lift it up. But yeah, it's a mobile seed starting cart. Oh yeah. So that'll be it, ladies and gentlemen. Another one in the books. All in the betterment, getting this garden going and eating healthy. Because we all got to. That crap they're selling nowadays, they said cancer went up 190%. Or some crap like that. That crap we eating, we got to stop. We got to stop. All right? So, ooh. Until next time, stay up, stay doing you, and I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget, hit that thumbs up, put in a comment. Let me know what's going on your side of the world. I'll holla.